YouTube, my name is Ranger and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm playing Beach House Roleplay by Cinderace. And I'm with my friend Ashley Marie, even though I'm not Skyping her, even though I wish I was. Yes. Like, roleplay friends. I like eat a Slurpee. I'm fat. Sugar. Sugar is fun. Sugar is okay. It's just like, what the heck? Heart they're blue and don't mind me, I'm a weirdo. Yeah, I know, you're walking away because I'm so ugly. Leave my Slurpee, I want my ice cream. I'm not like that. I'm like, yeah, you don't like me. Okay, I don't like you either. Whoa. Perfect. Thumbs. Tee. What? What you want? So, yeah. Who is drinking some soda behind me? Sarah. Sarah's creeping me out. That kid. No, don't touch her. That was kind of weirdo. This is like the rich girl, so she's like right up top. Okay, you keep ditching me. What? Sorry. Sorry, that's all you're gonna say? That's all you're gonna do. Cool. You guys don't look right. And I'm just like, wait. I'm gonna hang on against the glass. Oh, I knew it. I'm unlikable. I'm actually an unlikable character. No, actually, so I should not expect anyone to like me. Girl shirts. How about girls with pants up? Let's just close the shop. Can I come? Sparkle Dash walking away now. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to shopping. Ooh, Chalk Cinnamon Collar with blue flower. That's cute. That's cute. I have that. Don't have that. I have a lot of these outfits actually. So shop and close the shop, and I'm just gonna come in here. I think she left. No, she's still here. Wait, Bet. I remember Bet. Bet and I've never been in a video together, but I'll eventually introduce you to you guys. She ditched me. Why would she ditch? Oh, wait, she's probably AFK. So, to look at AFK, I shouldn't get angered. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna hang out on the glass and wait. Let's see, how many gems? Okay. I would do that, but I don't have any Robux. Hey, look, our senses are not ready. Yes. Yes. You make it tough. Oh, I know. First one. I'm fat, guys. See that? It's muscle. Really much to have, not on my thigh. Oh, okay. Let's hang out in my room. Yeah, that sounds a little creepy. Oh, it's pretty on the outside. At least I have some. Well, she's like teleporting me. That's kind of creepy. Welcome to my humble abode. Hehe. So, probably some humble abode child thing. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, I think Ashley Marie's hacking, guys. And I'm gonna be her friend. Hack. Yeah, guys, we're roommates. Yeah. Free room across the hall. Oh yeah, that's good. What? What? The heck? What? PJs! Shit, I don't have PJs. Crap, I'm gonna go to the shop. Hold on. I love those PJs. I'm gonna go with pajamas. She did the, that with that. So I can go close the shop. We go to closet, pajamas. Yeah, I like mixing and matching, guys, so this is kind of my normal PJ. Mix and match. Right. Right with 2 fingers, guys. Cause I still have fingers, guys. Look at my fingers. I still have fingers. You live in room 305. I think. What floor? What floor do you live on? Oh! Callie? I'm in the UK. We're so far apart, guys. Our friendship is so far, yet so close. It's pretty cool. I do say so myself. But I have family in Cali, which is true, I think. Almost they moved and they didn't tell me. You know, I wanted to come out too, guys. Awesome! That was cool. My walk. So yeah, I hang out here with my buddies. It's a pizza night. Maybe it's pizza night. What? Closet. Girls' pants. Sure. Why not? Just follow the nose to the free taste it shows. Anyways, YouTube, thank you for watching, and my name is Rain Shy, and thank you for watching.